welcome to this course, and I'm going to be talking about how to start your own review blogs. Starting your own review blogs can be a great way and a fun way to earn an income online. So here are the following topics I'm going to be covering in the next few videos. I'm going to show you which niches you should be in, or the most profitable niches that you should be in when starting these review blogs. I'm also going to talk about setting up your site, where to find the products to review, how to write a review, and I'm also going to be sharing with you free traffic methods that you could be using to drive immediate traffic to your review sites. And lastly, I'm going to provide you more tips on how to grow your business.